Everyone, welcome to Nirja's algorithm. Today we will start some integral forms that I taught in the previous video. Some formulas depends on that. We will start these integral forms. Now first is this form dx by ax square plus bx plus c. This is a quadratic form and this is also quadratic form, but the difference is that it has been a square root there. So how to solve or how to do these integral forms, I wrote the steps. First step is to divide by the coefficient of x square if it is there. If it is 1, so there is no need to divide it. But in place of a, 2, 3 and anything is there, the first step is to divide it. Now the second step is to make it perfect square by completing the square method that you did it in 10th standard, also in 9th standard. Otherwise I will explain everything. These are the two forms. The other form is that yes, numerator has also something that is a linear form, px plus q by similar thing quadratic. Then how to do integration by these? A is equal to d by dx of, you can say the denominator, you can say the quadratic one, plus b. By this we will find out a and b and then we will integrate it. By the question I will explain everything. The first question, integration of dx by under root of 2x minus x square. You know about that it is a quadratic equation, but we know in a quadratic equation the square, the highest degree should come first. So first I will rechange something here, that is I will take it minus common, it become x square minus 2x. Now it become a perfect thing. What I told you, the first step is to divide the coefficient of x square, but here you are seeing that there is no coefficient, that means that step gone. Second step, what is the completing square method? I am telling you, please listen carefully. X ka coefficient is 2. 2 divided by 2, or you can say take the half of the coefficient of x. Take the half of the coefficient of x, means 2 by 2 become 1. Then square that term. 1 ka square is become 1. Add that part and subtract that part. I think now you remember what I was telling you. This become minus under root of x square minus 2x. I said add and subtract. Now we got that minus of x square minus 2x plus 1 dx by under root of minus of x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 1. Now I will multiply with that minus sign. It become like this. See here, minus into this minus is plus and this whole thing become minus. This become a x minus 1 ka whole square. Perfect. Now I can say 1 is means 1 ka square. I told you the last video what I taught the formulas. It is, if you compare this formula, it is a square minus x square. What is the integration? It is sine inverse x by a. What is x here? It is x minus 1. What is a? 1 plus c. Done. Second question is cos x into dx by sine square x plus 4 sine x plus 5. Now you will ask how we will do that from what you are teaching. See here, we know that sine ka differentiation is cos x. So first step is to substitute or to remove that trigonometric function. I will take it sine x is equal to t, dt is equal to cos x into dx. Perfect. Now it will become dt by t square plus 4t plus 5. Now you got that form. Now what I told you, what is the t square ka coefficient? 1. No division. t ka coefficient is 4. Take the half of that, become 2. What I said, do the 2 ka square, that become 4. Add that part, subtract that part. It become t square plus 4t plus 5. I said plus 4 or minus 4. Understood? Now, it become dt by, this become t square plus 4t. What we are adding, take it with t square and 4t. I am writing directly, it become t plus 2 ka whole square. 5 minus 4 is 1. I can write as 1 ka square. Now, this become dt by t plus 2 ka whole square plus 1 ka square. Again, please compare with your integral formulas. X square plus a square. It is without root. 1 upon a tan inverse x by a plus c. Remember, I will do that. It is equals to 1 upon a. A is your 1, like this. Tan inverse, what is x? T plus 2 by 1 plus c. Tan inverse t is your sin x because you substitute the value. Answer. Third question is x plus 2 by under root of 4x minus x square into dx. Again, x square should be positive, the first thing. So that means you need to take the negative common. So first I will do that step only. X plus 2 under root of, take minus common like this, or it become x square minus of 4x, correct? But can you check it? It is like a form px plus q by under root of ax square plus bx plus c. So what we did it? I told you, take it, a is equal, numerator is equal to a, any constant, differentiation of denominator without root. That is, I will take it the original one only, 4x minus x square plus b. Correct? Now, x plus 2 is equal to a into 4x differentiation is 4, x square is minus 2x plus b. How to solve these values a and b? We will compare the values. X plus 2 is equal to, if you multiply, you will get 4a minus 2ax plus b, correct? Now compare with the coefficient of x and constant value. What is coefficient of x in the left side? 1. What is in the right side? Minus of 2a. That means you got a ka value become minus 1 by 2. I got a ka value. Again, if I will compare with constant value, it become 4a plus b is equal to 2. Perfect. A ka value I have, I will put in the equation, plus b is equal to 2. This got cancelled. I got it minus 2 plus b is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. I got a and b ka values. Now, x plus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2, 4 minus 2x plus 4. Where I put these a or b ka value, where I differentiated, I put there. Now, what was your integral in, numerator? X plus 2. Now, I will replace x plus 2 by this value. Don't solve it because you will get the same thing. Keep it like that. Minus half 4 minus 2x plus 4 by under root of minus, I took it common, it become x square minus 4x. Perfect? Dx. Now, what we will do? We will separate the numerator. See, minus half I am taking out. it becomes 4 minus 2x by under root of, I am writing the original one 4x minus x square here because I don't need anything here. After that plus 4 also I am taking constant. Here I am writing what I took it the minus common. Minus of x square minus 4x. Correct? Now in the first integral of these types of question, always we use the substitution. The down part always be t and the numerator always become dt. Check it once. 4x minus x square ko if I am letting as t, so it become dt is equal to 4 minus 2x. Perfect. You got it. So every time the first one is like that only. You got it by under root of t plus the other integral. Here we will use normal method, completing the square method. Minus x का coefficient is 4, 4 का half is 2, beta 2 का square is 4. That means you add and subtract 4 to this integral. It become dx by under root of minus of x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 4 like this. Now the first integral is minus half of dt by root t. Integration is easy. T to the power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. Perfect. Plus 4. Here again you will open the bracket. When you will open the bracket, what it become? That I told you, x square minus 4x. What we are adding, keep in that, and the negative 4 take it outside. So minus and minus plus 4, and this become x minus 2 ka whole square. Every time this wala part become a perfect square. Every time. Now it is like that. Minus half plus 1 is 1 by 2. The total got cancelled. I got minus of root t plus 4. Anybody tells about this formula? What? 4 means 2 ka square minus x minus 2 ka whole square. Remember, dx by under root of a square minus x square. Formula becomes sine inverse x by a plus 4 into sine inverse x is x minus 2. A means 2 plus c. Only the step is remaining, that what will be the t ka value. What we let? Please. 4x minus x square plus 4 into sine inverse x minus 2 by 2 plus c. Done. Yeah, this is the fifth question. X square into dx by under root of x to the power 6 plus a to the power 6. Now, this is not that type of the question, but thoda sa tricky. Why? You need to think something here. x6 को I can write x cube का whole square plus I will write a cube का whole square. Now you can ask the question, why x cube का square, why not x square का cube? I will tell why. X cube, when you differentiate, you will get 3x square. That is why I did it x cube ka whole square. And whatever the formulas we did it, only that is a square minus x square minus a square, x square plus a square. That is why I wrote in that form. Now I will substitute x cube is equal to t, dt is equal to 3x square into dx. I want x square into dx. Please divide by 3 and take it out of the integral sign. It become dt by t square plus a cube ka whole square. Because it is a constant value, we won't bother about that. Now 1 upon 3. What is the integration of dx by x square plus a square? That is 1 upon a. 1 upon a means a cube. Tan inverse x upon x is what? T by a cube plus c. Put the value 1 upon 3 a cube tan inverse of what you let t? x cube by a cube plus c. Complete. This is the sixth question. Under root of 1 plus x square by x to the power 4 into dx. What we will do, this is also tricky. I will break it at x like this. Now, it is taking the whole part as the root by x square into 1 by x cube into dx. Because x square ka if you will take the root, you will get x. So nothing will change. Now I will divide it. It is like that. See, 1 by x square or x square by x square is 1 into 1 by x cube into dx. Now we will take it 1 plus 1 by x square is equal to t square. You can take t also. There will be only the constant ka thing will change. T square, why we took it? Because it is a square root. It will be easy for us. Nothing else. 2t into dt. 1 ka differentiation is 1 by x square. I told you, put the negative sign, whatever the power, keep it up and increase the power like this. Into dx. See, you don't need 2 because you want only 1 by x cube. This 2 and this 2 got cancelled. You got t into dt is equal to minus of 1 by x cube into dx. Now I am putting the values. See, the whole thing is t square. So t will come out and t dt is equal to, then it become t dt. Negative sign I am keeping out. So it become minus of t square into dt is equal to t cube by 3 plus c. General integration, nothing else. Now keep it the value. T ka value is this, minus 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 by x square ki power, it become 3 by 2 plus c. Why 3 by 2? Because this is, we took it t square. So it will be under root only. It's complete the answer. This is the end of the today's video. I did how many questions I can tell you the different types of the questions. Here I took it the CBSE part also and the extra questions also. If you have any queries or any doubts in the integration or any topic, please comment in the comment section. I will take all the doubts, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.